Guys, welcome back to today's video. This is your boy Crypto Mechanic right here, and on this video guys, we are going to be talking about the phase 5 of our free crypto giveaway to our lovely community. So right here guys, on this video we are going to be learning the step-by-step guide on how you can be able to instantly claim about 3,500 BTT token right here on your bybit account without having to make any single investment over here. So the process is actually free and you can do this multiple times. Right, so on this video guys, you might be wondering, why are we giving away free crypto to our lovely community? The reason why we are giving away free crypto to our community is because of the fact that we hit a milestone right here on our YouTube channel. So recently we hit about 5,000 subscribers. If you look down here right now, you can see that we are now on 6,000 subscribers already, and we are celebrating the fact that we got to this level. And for that, we have decided to give away free cryptocurrency to anybody watching our video right now, and we made it in such a way that we are giving it equal amounts to all our video viewers. So right now over here on our Telegram channel, we also hit about 5,000 subscribers on our Telegram channel, and for that also we are hosting a giveaway. For that, we are doing it together right here on this video. All right, so actually we are making this phase by phase. We have from phase 1 to phase 10, and currently this is the video of the phase 5 of this free crypto giveaway that we are giving to our lovely community. So right now, for you to claim this free cryptocurrency that we are giving to our community, you simply need to get yourself to the our Telegram channel. The link will be on the video description down below. So when you get over here to the Telegram channel, you go ahead and make sure you save these images. So the first one, when you tap on it, you click over here and you click save to gallery. Then you just have to go ahead and save the two images together. So once you just save the image, then you go back right here to your bybit account. Remember, this giveaway that we are doing right here actually has about 10 stages, and over here this is the stage 5. So if you've seen this video maybe after some couple of hours, which is like 24 hours, because the process that we are going to be following here is actually going to be expiring in 24 hours. So if you are viewing the video right now after 24 hours that it was published, it simply means that you must have missed out on this phase. But if you have missed out on this phase, do not give up. Make sure you are following us on this channel, because more and more phases are coming, like phase 6, phase 7, phase 8, phase 9, and finally phase 10 is also coming. So if you have missed out on this opportunity, stay tuned and check out our channel, because more of this type of opportunity are still going to be brought to you guys right here on this channel. So right now, let's now continue and learn how we can be able to claim our free crypto. So right now, to continue, you need a bybit account, and also you need to verify it so that your crypto will be there for you after claiming. So right now, once you have done that, then you go ahead and click on your asset like this. So once you click on your assets, then you go ahead and scroll like to the left, then you go ahead and click on giveaway. So once you just click on giveaway, then you go ahead and select join. All right, so you are joining this giveaway, and you need to click this button right here to join. So you click on the join button, you go ahead and get to click on scan. All right, so over here the images that you saved earlier is the image that you're going to be scanning right here for you to be able to claim your token right now. So right now you need to click on scan right now. So once you just click on scan, you need to click on photos down here. So once you click on photos, you have to select the image you saved recently. So over here this is the first one. So once I just click on the image, then I can see right here the message that I have, that you are invited to a giveaway, and they are over here. You can see thanks for celebrating with us. So we actually appreciate having you right here on this channel, and for that we are now giving you free crypto for you to have on your wallet right there. So over now you need to click on claim right now, and let's see the amount of token that we will give. You can see over here guys, we just claimed 2,500 BTTC token right now. So over here you just made a free crypto instant claim right now, and this token right here actually has a little value, and currently it is less than $1. But trust me, in the future the price of this coin will probably get to about $1, and when the price of this coin gets to $1, you are now left with about $2,500 right into your account without any hassle. So this is just all you need to know concerning this video. So right now that we are done claiming the first, then you come over here to our Telegram channel, you get to save the second image, then you come back to your bybit account to repeat the same exact process to claim even more token right into your bybit account. So it is very easy as that, and I believe you have gotten a value out of this video. Please do well to subscribe to our channel, and also stay tuned, because more updates concerning how we can be able to make money money for free in the crypto space will soon be dropped right here on this channel. So remember, this channel is all about how you can be able to make money for free in the crypto space without having to make any single investment over it. So go ahead to check out our channel to learn more ways through which you can make money for free in the crypto space without having to make any single investment. So thank you guys for watching the video till the end, and I wish to see you guys on my next videos that are gonna be dropped soon on how you can be able to make money for free on the crypto space. So thank you, and I will see you guys on my next video that's gonna be dropping soon. So stay tuned as phase 6, phase 7, phase 8, phase 9, and finally phase 10 will also be updated right here on our YouTube channel. Thank you, and I will see you guys very soon.